straight. Well, attempt 3 at Mod Mania. They rained out Thursday night, they rained out Friday night. This was a mud bog last night, about 5:30. We are here, final night for our racing season. We are all ready to be done. All of us have full-time jobs, and 40 nights this year, we are ready for a break. Also, final trip in the White Hauler. It is sold. It leaves next Monday to go to North Carolina. So we're on the hunt for something different. Well, 35 cars signed in so far. We're getting close to hot lap drivers meeting time in about 30 minutes. I drew us a 50, so there's enough cars, Group A, Group B qualifying. We're either going to be at the tail of Group A or the end of Group B. We'll be pushing to get the show in tonight. There's rain coming about 10:30 or 11. So we'll see what happens. Hopefully we can get it all in tonight. Doug spraying her down. Dave's filling her up. Vegas guy's making a YouTube. Things you see at Granite City. car sucked in hot laps. We were 20th, quick. We are ready for qualifying. Daryn made a few changes trying to make it better. Don't know what he was doing because Nick's not here. I was grinding tires. We'll be the 18th car out to qualify, which is the last car in Group A. Should be coming up here shortly. Up. It's like making a shock change. Change 32. Bar change on both sides. Daryn just went and looked at the track after we looked at it about 30 minutes ago. He come back and said, put it back the way it was, but leave the shocks. So going back, doing the dance, trying to get it better. Well, qualified 6th in Group A. Rough track. Daryn did a good job of getting through the holes. That will put us starting second row inside of heat race number 2. First mod heats on the track. It is 8:40. We'll be lucky to get our heat race going by 10 o'clock. Doug's inspecting the car. Jonah's cleaning it. Don't forget, these will be on the website by Monday. We also are restocking the blue ones as well as hoodies. Get you another sticker pack?
Yes.
How many of them you got?
Probably around 300.
That's a bunch, Riley.
I know.
Well, we're under an ambulance delay. Apparently, dirt clod went in the stands, took out a couple fans, knocked one of them clean out. So he went to the hospital in the ambulance. We don't have an ambulance, so we can't race. It is 9:30, and I don't know that they've got the first heat race of mods done yet. And it's gonna be a while. People here won't load.
And they're all doing the same thing right now because they can't do nothing.
That's showing it's going to hit us about 11:30. It's now 9:30. Will we get the heat race in is the question. that went on forever. So they moved the B mods to last. Once our features are done, they'll get to hit the track, which is good. It's now 10:30 and the last heat race for late models just got done. Don't know what's going on down there. Tony Jackson said screw it. He ain't running the feature. Too rough. Mike starts front row outside. I don't know where we start at. I haven't looked yet. We're probably going to make a lap, pull in. Daryn said there's no way he's going to make 50 laps. He won't be able to hang on to it. He said it's all he can do to do 8 laps. The right front's into the racetrack so hard. It's just bouncing. Everybody's sentiment in his track is way too rough. Frager was over here talking. Ryan Unzicker, the 24 car, was over here talking about it. And don't seem that there's anything they can do about it. Ambulance did finally come back. It's 5 after 11. The first modified B main is on the track. They have a second B main, then the late model B main. Right where we're going, that'll be midnight, and the rain is right on top of us. Going to sleep, taking a nap. Well, we threw something at it. Features 30 laps, not 50. Daryn's a little more susceptible to running the whole race now, but we'll see what happens. Several cars dropped out of the B main. It's rough out there. Cowboy up and elbows up. Cars are just pulling on the track. 12:45 coming to the green. Well, that's a wrap on our season. Suffered the same fate 2 years ago, the last time we ran Mod Mania. Got in a crash that wasn't our doings and tore the nose up. It'd be a big congratulations to Mike Harrison. Doubled up, won the modifieds and the late model portion tonight. Thanks for watching. Hope you're enjoying the content. If you are, hit that thumbs up button for us. It'd be much appreciated. We gotta unload the entire trailer this week, so probably won't be a video this week, maybe next week. Get the car tore apart, cleaned up, start the winter rebuild.